Hello, everybody, and welcome back to my channel. My name is Tanisha. How is everybody doing? I hope everybody's okay. I know I've been missing in action for a while, but the holidays are coming up, and I'm pretty busy. Yeah, these glossy lips. yeah, yeah. So here we go. I went to Burlington, and I got this huge bag. I can't even lift it up. Burlington. Um, to get some stuff. I got some wrapping paper, and this comes with 3 in a pack. It says Merry Christmas. This is why I bought this one, because I like the Merry Christmas sparkles. It's got sparkling. I did my nails, guys. I did my nails. Yeah, so, yeah. And this was only for, let's see, it was $7, $6.99 for 3 packs. I'm telling you. Next, my daughter, she picked up this cute little bag with heart studs on it. It's by Bradley Vegan Leather, $22.99. Okay, she has good taste. Okay, so it's cute. All right, then she picked up this belt, and it's $7.99. It's got a star on it, and it looks like that. And that is just for $7.99. And she picked up the Juicy Couture belt with the hearts, brown. I got this for my little niece. She's not 6 months old yet, but I got it for her Christmas. It's got the little drums. And it looks like that. It's absolutely adorable. She loves music, so this would be the best thing for her. And that was $20. $29. Alright, next thing. And it's random stuff I'm picking up. Ooh, this is sticky. This is the honey pot. Honeycomb. That stuff is sticky. Hope it didn't run on or anything in the bag. So then I got the Looney Tunes. It's got two shirts in a pack. Who doesn't love Looney Tunes? And I got a shirt for my youngest. She likes this. The frills on it. That was for $9.99. My oldest daughter, she got this fire dress. It got the keyhole in there. It's very cute. And this was just for $8.99. I got this cute red dress for my youngest. Very pretty. And that was for $9.99. And it stretches, so it's good. It stretches. Should have gotten a bigger size. Next, I got this bra, sports bra. And a sports bra is for $6.99. Next thing I got was body wash. This is Dove body wash. It's peach Dove body wash, and this is only for $5.99. It is for $5.99. And then last thing in that bag, I still have other bags. Is this shirt? It says "Blessed" on it. It's got the pretty colors. Next, I got this soap dispenser for the kitchen. The other one that I got from Amazon was rubbish. It was the little nozzle here fell off multiple times. I hope this one doesn't fall off too. That would be too irritating. But at least this one's cheap. It's $4. So yeah, got that. Next, I got the blinds. These look like a little silver. And this was just for $20. $20. It's got 2 panels in there. I got that. Then I got some makeup. This is Bebe Makeup Crystal Glaze. 24 color metallic eyeshadow. So it's got beautiful colors in there, guys. Beautiful colors. Metallic. And that was just for $6.99. 24 colors. Oh yeah. Next I got this purple hoodie for my daughter. It looks like that, so I have it purple and then the other half cream colored. And I got some food items as well. I got plantain chips. I got some delicacies, delicate chocolate. This is the that is the Shells chocolate. And that was just for $3.99. I got some organic dried mangoes. This was for $2.50, 49 cents. I got some gummy worms. I got some spicy sweet puffs. Gummy sushi. Okay, my daughter picked this up. It's expensive. Why did that child get this? Okay. Sushi. I got jackfruit, the organic jackfruit. $2.50 for these. I love jackfruit, so. Next, I got some macaroons. Uh-oh, my time is running out. I got sweet plantain chips. I got some strawberry cookies. And lastly, I got some gummy sweet. Thank you so much, guys, for watching. Yeah, this one is the gummy watermelon rings. Yeah, and that's it. That's the end of my haul. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I will see you in my next video. I hope you guys have had a happy Thanksgiving. I hope you didn't eat too much, and welcome to my new subscribers. Look at my nails. I'm loving these nails. So yeah, thank you so much for watching, and I will see you in my next video. Bye.